Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making Mexican wedding cookies. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, I got a nice warm hot pan here. I'm going to be toasting some pecans. And I've got whole pecans. I'm going to put about a half cup of pecans in the pan and I want to toast these up really nice. Okay, in a medium bowl, I've got 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, I've got 1/4 teaspoon of good fresh ground cinnamon. Okay, I got my little whisk here. I'm just gonna mix this all up with the cinnamon, everything. Okay, now I'm gonna add a half teaspoon of salt. Okay, after this has been incorporated, we're gonna set this to the side. We're gonna get another bowl. We're gonna do our other ingredients. Okay, in another bowl, 2 whole sticks of butter. And this is non-salted butter. Okay, now we're going to start creaming our butter. We want this butter real nice and creamed up. Now we're going to be adding a cup of sugar, but we're going to do half and half of this. So this is a whole cup of confectionate sugar. And we're just going to mix this up with a whole cup of confectionate sugar. But I'm just going to beat this up really good. Okay, now I'm going to pour the rest of my confectionate sugar. Don't forget, y'all, this is 1 whole cup. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We turn it down low. We're just going to mix this up. And then 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. We're going to go ahead and we're going to beat this up also. Okay, cut that off. I'm going to scrape this down and make sure I get every little thing. Now that I toasted these pecans, I'm putting them in a food processor. And I'm going to just beat these up. Now that flour mix, I'm going to add half of it. And I'm going to mix it in here. And we're going to hand do it today, guys. We're not going to use the blender or the mixer or whatever you got. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to mix it in here because we're going to mix it like dough. Okay. Then I'm going to get the rest of it, making sure you get every little bit. And I'm going to hand beat it. Get it nice and smooth like I did last time. Then I got these pecan nuts. Okay, this is a rolling technique. So you need to get in here with your hands and you need to mix that up. Okay, I've got my cookie sheet with my silicone non-stick cookie sheet pan, or you can put anything on it. You know I love this so much. Look how much I have used it. This is older, but it still works and it's not gone out yet. And I got the smallest scoop that I can get. It's an ice cream scoop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and I'm going to measure out some cookies. And I'm going to set them like this. And I'm going to level it out. And when I cook these cookies, they're going to cook just like little ice creams. Okay, I've got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to pop these in for about 13 to 16 minutes. So after 10 minutes, kind of look at them. So you got another 3 minutes or another 6 minutes to go. Depends on how fast your oven cooks. And they go. Oh, perfect cookies. Look at those. Delicious. Okay, I'm going to lay my cookies in a little bowl here. Just some of them. Then I'm going to get some powdered sugar. You can take about a cup of powdered sugar. And see, I'm going to, if you want to take a cup, do a cup, do half and half, or put partial and partial in there. And then I'm just going to sprinkle them over, the cookies. Oh, perfect. Beautiful. And I'm taking it, I'm doing these in a nice, they're going to be so beautiful and so delicious. I'm going to kind of shake them off a little bit. because I don't want a lot of powdered sugar falling everywhere, but I do want it on there. It's nice and pretty. Look at that. And here they are, Be Sure's way of doing wedding cookies. Let's get one and break it open. Let's see what it looks like inside. Look at this. Oh, nice and moist and wonderful. Oh, these are so delicious. This is Mexican wedding cookies. You don't have to have these just for a wedding. These are also served at holidays. Everybody's table, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. You have these cookies all the time served at all those events, including weddings. So, hey, next time you feel like doing something a little different and out of the ordinary, do these cookies. This is my recipe of a wedding cookie, and I do it differently every time. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Because guess what? I didn't make these cookies alone. You and me, we did this together, and we can do plenty more. So come back next time for another whole episode of something delicious. See you next time. Bye.